How to change native language on Duolingo app. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Take it simple. In this tutorial, I am going to guide you on how to change native language on Duolingo app. Changing language on Duolingo is simple and easy process. Firstly, make sure that you have Duolingo app installed on your device and a good internet connection. Open your Duolingo app and press on the flag icon at the top left corner. Press on the plus button on the screen. After that, you will be able to see different languages from which you have to select a language that you already understand. And if the preferred language is not in the list, tap on this button to see more language. Now, select a language and tap on the green button. Confirm your language by tapping on the blue button. And that's it. You have easily changed your native language on Duolingo app. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.